In paper 1 of botany, now we start with the first unit, vegetative morphology of angiosperm. In this first point is habit. What is habit? Habit, it is the general appearance and or structure of plant, including in size, shape, growth form and orientation, is called plant habit or plant life form. The plant habit typically includes all of the unique characteristics of plant. Flowering plants can have following two habits: erect form and weak form. In erect form, it is again subdivided into three subtypes: herbs, shrubs and trees. Erect form, these are the plants of which stem grows in the upward position above the ground. Majority of the plants have the erect habit. The erect form, it is subdivided into herbs, shrub and trees. Herbs are non-woody plants that have soft herbaceous stem with few branches. They may be annual, biennial or perennial. Means they complete their life cycle in 1 year or 2 years or 3 years respectively. Some plants are stronger than herbs, but they are still not stronger enough to attain a level of shrub. These plants have slightly woody stem. They are called under shrub. While the geophytes are the perennial herb, typically with bulb, corm, rhizome or tuber with the underground stem. Then shrub. Shrubs are perennial woody plants larger than the herb, with branches arising at the base, forming bushy appearance without any main stem or trunk. The woody branches are never as strong as trunk of the tree, and the plants are much smaller than the tree. Example: hibiscus, rose. In shrub there is also short shrub. They are called sub-shrub, which are having the woody base, and they produce seasonally new non-woody annual shoots above. Then third erect form is trees. These are woody plants with single prominent woody stem called trunk, which usually gives rise to branches at certain height above the ground. The tree shows the following three types of habit: caudex, excurrent and deliquescent. In caudex type, the main stem or trunk is stout and columnar without any branches and has marks of the leaf scar. Crown of leaves is present at the top of such stem. Example is coconut. Second type is excurrent. These trees have the main stem grow indefinitely and the side branches develop in acropetal manner, giving the conical look to the tree. Example: casuarina. Third type of tree is deliquescent. In this type of tree, a single main trunk grows up to the certain height and then produces vigorously growing branches spreading on all sides. Example is Mangifera indica. The next type is weak forms. In this, the plants are incapable of growing straight upright and under natural conditions lie horizontal on the surface of soil or climb with the help of some support. Weak forms, they may be of following three types: creepers, trailers and climbers. Creepers, they are actually herbaceous. The plants themselves are erect, but they give rise to small horizontal branches which are weak, and after growing for some length on the ground and get rooted at the nodes. Thus, a plant radiates in all directions or grows in all directions and soon covers up the big area. The creepers are of four subtypes: runners, stolons, offset and suckers. Runners, in runners, a slender elongated toasted aerial branch with long internodes creeping on the ground and rooting at the nodes. Example, grasses. In stolon, slender elongate horizontal stem at or below the surface of ground. It gives rise to a new plant at its tip. Example is Colacosia. Third type, offset. A horizontal, short, more or less thickened, prostrate branch producing at the apex a tuft of leaves above and a cluster of small roots below, especially in hydrophytes. Example, Pistia, Ecornia. Then fourth subtype, it is sucker. A creeping stem developing from underground part of the stem but growing obliquely upward and directly giving rise to a leafy shoot or a new plant. Example, Mentha or chrysanthemum. Then next weaker form is trailer. Trailer are prostrate plant having weak, long and slender stem which trail along the surface and do not try to climb up any support. These are different from creepers in being single plant which do not root from the nodes and thus do not form daughter plant. If the plant usually lie flat, they are called procumbent or prostrate. In some cases, the branch, after growing horizontally for some length and then straightens up the growing head like an erect plant, such a trailer is called decumbent. In some cases, branches of some trailers grow profusely in all directions. Such a trailer is known as diffuse. Example, Boravia.